I actually have the great opportunity to be performing twice in this year's Arts Gala. I will be opening Arts Gala with the Wright State Trumpet Studio, and then following that immediately, I'll be in Schuster Hall playing with the Wright State Wind Symphony. Being an Arts Gala recipient just it means that someone cares enough about what I'm doing here to help me better my education, and it really means the world to me. The Arts Gala Scholarship helps me to further my education without having to necessarily worry about financial problems. Um, that money has gone to my instruments and repairs and music, and it's nice to know that I can get what I need without having to worry too much. If I could tell anyone anything to persuade them to come to this year's Arts Gala, I would tell them, the students are really putting themselves out there, and they're putting forth their best effort and their best talents to put on a great event for everyone. I encourage everyone to go down, even if it's just to see me.